first ever Ford Ranger Raptor is no pretender. It will be Malaysia's first ever factory-built, factory-warranted, off-road performance truck. This is no option pack performance kit. This is a uniquely designed, engineered and fully tested off-road performance truck. One look at the Ranger Raptor and you know this is no ordinary truck. From the unique front grille, front and rear bumpers, front bash plate, wider front and rear guards, high-spec running boards, alloy wheels and off-road tires, the Ranger Raptor is designed and engineered from the ground up to meet strict Ford performance DNA requirements. The unique Ranger Raptor ladder frame chassis was re-engineered and strengthened with high-strength low-alloy HSLA steel to meet the tough demands that off-road performance driving commands. Tested extensively in the harshest desert environments in both Australia and the USA, the Ranger Raptor chassis delivers maximum toughness and high-spec performance. Ranger Raptor's powertrain was chosen to deliver high power and to work outputs with minimum weight. Ford's latest technology bi-turbo diesel engine and first-ever 10-speed transmission combined to deliver excellent off-road performance while also ensuring the driver is in the right gear at the right time. The Ranger Raptor's race-bred suspension has been specifically crafted to tackle the toughest terrains, smoothing out jumps, bumps and ruts. The Ranger Raptor's Terrain Management System (TMS) allows you to excel in a variety of terrains, not just the desert. With just the push of a button on the unique leather steering wheel, drivers can switch between 6 different modes: normal, sport, grass/gravel/snow, mud, sand, rock and last but definitely not least, the off-road racing-inspired Baja mode. The Ranger Raptor isn't just tough, it's also incredibly smart, with a host of standard features and driver assist technologies, thaks, like sync-registered 3-voice activation system, satellite navigation, active and passive safety features like electronic stability control, escape, trailer sway control, TSC, hill start assist, HSA, hill descent control, HDC, load adaptive control, LAC, lane departure warning, LDW, with lane keep assist, LKA, and rollover mitigation, ROM.